Hi guys! So, this is CJ Hassel. Susamahan niyo ako maglaro ng cooking adventure. So, tara, mag-start tayo dito. Ay! Nag-top. Let's stop. Wala. Stop natin to. Tapos, may 3 energy. Energy ba yun? So, ayan. This is the inside of the grill house. This is where you make the food and serve customers. Stop lang natin. It might be a little empty now, but you can slowly upgrade it. You'll soon make it into the best restaurant in town. Consider business hours and sales. Stop lang natin. So, start na tayo. So, mag-iiyaw tayo ng steak dito, guys. Rare. Isa pa. So, well done down. Next natin. So, yung plate. Your steaks are cooked very lightly on both sides. Okay, okay. So, stop. Wala na sunog. Bigay natin. Ayun, nasunog. Kunin natin. First, put the meat on. And, so, kunin natin yung bayad niya. So, ulit tayo. Mag-ihaw ng yung dalawa. So, rare. At, ito po. Ay, mag-start tayo. Ayaw tanggapin ni ate. Ano to? Sa trash natin. Oh my God. Nagsayang tayo ng well done. Ayaw niya well done. Ayaw niya din. Ano yun? Magagalit na yung customer natin, guys. Umali. Ba't umali? So, bigyan na natin. So, masaya na si Lola. Ito yung bayad niya. So, na-reject tayo ng ilang beses. So, alam na natin kung paano gawin. So, stage 1, new record. May 323 tayo. Tap lang ulit natin. Next, let's find out how to upgrade your cookware and ingredients. So, tap natin yung upgrade. So, ayan. So, 300 siya. May kita na tayong 5-3. Okay. Upgrade. Yun. Next lang natin. So, level 2 na tayo. 3, energy ulit. This time, let's learn how to cook medium steaks and well done steaks. Okay? So, yun yung well done medium rare blue. Okay? Kuhanin natin yung bayad niya. Magsasalang ulit tayo ng so rare yung order niya. Ay, natuwa sila dahil mabilis service natin. Ito na naman si Lola. Panay naka-steak. Ligtarin na, hindi pa. Sweet lang. Magsalang pa tayo ng isa dahil